Hey guys, Mike here. We've got a bunch more videos coming up. Just remember, if you guys like the video, if you watch the video, if you enjoy the video, do us a favor. I mean, the 3 words that you love to hear or you hate to hear: like, subscribe, comment. Really helps us out. The algorithm likes to hear it. We get more money. Thanks guys, take care. Enjoy the video. We're not first, see, you screwed up.
Jeez,
We're
man.
first. Look how late we are.
We look like slackers.
Yeah.
The open sign's on.
That's right. Normally the door isn't even open and we're here pounding on the gate. Look at our coffee.
Rock slide.
Run.
Talking away from that camera.
Morning. How's it going?
Yeah, make sure you sign a waiver so we can put
Waiver.
I'm not, so
I'm
you
not.
can turn it off.
I'm not filming them.
Don't worry, it'll be over your head.
Yeah.
Oh, sir.
Good one for so early in the morning, Blair.
What do you get, Mike, in the morning?
I get a PFC. Big coffee.
And Blair, what do you get?
Oh, yes. A large coffee. In a great cup.
Oh, why is it? Show Matt that cup. Oh, look. Oh, look.
Oh, that's amazing.
Hey, take
Yeah.
that.
Where's yours, Mike?
Where's my cut is what I want. I should get 50.
Oh, man.
Oh, you're out. You snooze, you lose.
Just took all the coffee.
Let's talk more rock, buddy.
Unless you speak another language.
They had to bring this in for me special just because I'm so sweet.
Because you lack sweetness.
Okay, so do I need to mark it or you'll remember?
What do you put, Mike?
3 honey, 5 cream. Just enough to get the old juices flowing in the morning.
Do you have any duct tape, Ken?
Well, your cup's broken.
I forgot my lid.
Oh.
Great cup. That's a great cup. Were you just telling us what a great cup that was?
But I forgot the lid. Ooh, that's deceiving.
Yeah, I know. There you go. You're ripping yourself off.
Damn.
Better when the honey's liquid.
Well, it was a great effort.
Yeah. It's a thought that
What
counts.
do you have? A super large? I'm going to have a large.
Super large?
Sure, I'll have a super large.
Super large. There we go. Excellent. This is how we start our mornings. Because we're too lazy to make our own coffee.
Well, you looked at the coffee machine there?
Actually, I got a new Bodum. My wife bought me a Bodum. I haven't tried it yet. You know, I haven't tried it because as soon as I use
So
it,
it's
I'm
not
gonna-
moldy yet.
as soon as I use it, I'm going to have to wash it. That's why I haven't used it. Okay. Get a pepperoni. Mine's coffee too. One. Actually, hang on, let me get a pack of the good ones.
Those are people Rooney.
Yeah, but,
These are dog Rooney.
yeah, but these are better. They're healthier. We want regular. Regular. Oh. Lincoln treats.
You spoiled.
Slightly spoiled.
Yeah, I'll get the coffee. You can get the pepperoni. It's my freaking hot.
He loves you. As long as you bring pepperoni.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay. Today it's only brown ones, Kim.
Oh, he does this every day. Yeah,
Well, I
okay,
haven't
I'll get the
been-
pepperoni. It's fine.
Okay, he's gonna. Not good with my mouth at Terry, but.
Always is. If
I know,
nothing,
yeah.
you're consistent.
Well, where did I go yesterday to get change?
I don't know. We came here.
No, I didn't.
Yeah. Remember she had to run and get change in the back?
Yeah. For
Yeah,
50.
so what happened? Oh, you lost a bet to me.
That's right.
That's where your change went.
That's
Oh,
right.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
right.
That's great. I won a bet. He did.
I always
That's why I
pay.
had no change.
That's why I bet. Because usually I win. And Blair's paying. Have a great day, girls.
Rock and roll.